Good morning guys, in front of me is Hammer Blade 5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first enroll list of all apps and then go to settings. Now find and select personalization and mark wallpaper. And here you can select wallpaper either from My Wallpaper album, from your local photos, or by tapping on More Wallpaper you can enter the online album. And here you can also choose from those pictures. So let me choose for example this one, and if you want to apply it, mark apply. Then just decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.